Ako sa Kisay, I remember na puyat-puyat ako nun. Puyat, pagod. Tapos mag-e-exam kami. Tapos I remember, kasi na-enjoy ko talaga yung IQ test na section. So yung analytical reasoning, yung puzzles, yung mga pattern recognition, favorite ko yun. So I think I did fairly well naman dun sa exam sa Kisay. Yung interview, ang exciting na part. Unang tanong is, why do you want to study sa Quezon City Science High School? So, sa akin, ang answer ko at that time was, aside from it being like a top high school in the Philippines, sinabi ko na ang reason is because my dad graduated from Kisay. So, I really wanted to have a similar experience, parang ganon, or kilala ko yung school. Tapos the second question was, did any of you take an exam sa Philippine Science High School? We said yes. Wala pa yung results nito ng second screening sa Pisay. Tapos tinanong kami na ang question is, what if you pass sa both?